welcome back to another video. I am Deaunna Jonae, if you did not know. And baby, check out this new setup I'm working with right now. Let me know how you feel about, my twinkling lights. You feel me? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I'm Deaunna Jonae, if you did not know. Today, we will be trying out a new hair care product. And when I say new, I just mean it's new to me. I ain't never tried it. Of course, it's probably been out or whatever. I ain't seen nobody use it. I just saw it in Walmart and I was like, let me try this. We have Auntie Jackie. Comment down below if you got an Auntie Jackie. I don't have a biological Auntie Jackie, but my mama had a best friend named Jackie and we used to call her Auntie Jackie, but she really wasn't my auntie. Anyway, do you got an Auntie Jackie? Let me know. Alright, coconut cream recipes, buttercream intensive moisture sealant, okay? It says it's for natural curls, coils, and waves. Open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so there's a little paper on it. Y'all, I got my nails did, so if I'm tapping on everything, just know I paid the tap, okay? Pay the tap, okay? This smell like some type of boba drink I had before. Y'all, make sure y'all subscribe to the family channel and watch me and my husband try boba drinks. They are so good and so fun. Okay. So, smells like coconut, of course. This is what it looks like. Feel like it's gonna have a good slip. Look, let me put that product back in there because we're gonna need that. The next product is Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly. And they got the little thing over the E, so maybe it's jelly, or oh wait, I just said the same thing. Maybe it's jelly. I like that. Jelly. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know if it's jelly or jelly. Jelly. I don't know. Once again, put it back in the container. Ooh, I like the smell of this. Not that I hated the other one, but this smells really good to me. I don't know, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't always been a coconut fan, but this smells pretty good. Has a very fresh scent to it. Okay, so let's jump into this thing. So I'm not gonna bore y'all with telling y'all what the product says it's gonna do and blah blah blah. I'll probably do that at the end or do a little voiceover at some point. But what I do know is that these products say that they work better on damp hair. Now the buttercream, you can use it on dry hair, but the other product says it's best to use damp hair or wet hair, so we're just gonna dampen my hair all together. My hair was washed like 2 days ago, but of course since I've been putting it in ponytails, I got like gel around my edges and stuff, so I'm hoping that it doesn't flake or cause the product not to work to its full ability or whatever. What I'm gonna do, I got a water bottle and I'm gonna just wet my hair and use the towel to kind of soak up the gel and stuff that I put around my hair, and then we'll just do the curly part. So, and let me know if y'all like this style that I did. You feel me? Got the 2 flat twists with the clamps. You feel me? I thought that was cute. Went to work like this. Like, how may I serve you? Hey y'all, so I got my hair split up into 4 sections. Normally I would start from the back and then work my way up, but for the sake of this video I'm gonna go ahead and start in the front, because while I'm doing the back and y'all can't see the back, so we're gonna start in the front. You feel me? So we're gonna dampen the hair. And my hair, oh girl, I done wet the camera. Let me see. Anyways, when I spray my hair, I have to work the water in a little bit because it'll just sit on my hair. Back to the water. Let's spray it pretty good. a wide tooth comb and I'm just kind of comb this out. Always start at the ends and work your way up when you're detangling your hair, because you will pull your hair out. You will pull your hair out if you're not taking your time with your natural hair. See how I'm just combing through that? Nice. Okay. It's gonna be a small amount today. Ooh. This is like just sliding. That feels good. I'm gonna get just a little bit more. Put it on the ends. Okay. Take your comb, comb it through. Kind of distribute to the hairs that you couldn't get to just with your hands. Oh, that went really smooth. Nice. Okay, now for the gel. I'm gonna get a little more gel than I did the moisturizer. About that much. This says depending on your hair length and texture, apply a moderate amount throughout the hair from roots to ends, using more for thicker or longer hair. And of course I have thicker hair, so I might have to use even more than this. But oh, I love the smell of this. Let's see what this talking about, y'all. It's kinda defining. Well, I'm not gonna say kinda, I'm tripping. The more I rake it through, the more it's defining, okay? I might have to get a little more, cause I'm not seeing a whole. Okay, don't get me wrong, it is defining it, but I know that my hair can do a little more than this. Okay, let's break this section up. Let's go in a little more. Okay. Hold on, let me take my salon clip off and put it on this. Okay. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see it right there? Do y'all see it? Okay. Like, I don't know what she on right here, but she on it. Okay, I think that's as good as this side is gonna get right here. But that looks pretty good. What y'all think? That's looking good. Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. All right, that's what we're looking like. It's not bad. It's really not. I don't know what this is doing. Girl, what's this? Okay, we gonna let her be great. Let's do this back portion. Even though I said I wasn't gonna do the back, we're gonna do it just to have that little hang, little swing, you feel me? Biting apples, y'all. Just kind of comb through it. Gel. Y'all, I should have told y'all how much this product was. I forgot. I think there's something like $6 a piece in Walmart. I'll probably put it on the screen about how much it was if I didn't throw that receipt away. It's looking good. It's looking really good. Cause you know the back of my hair, it do what it's supposed to do. Can y'all see? I can't see if y'all can see because my glasses kind of coming off my face. But anyways, check me out. Check me out. Ooh, I got a little itch. Ooh. What we looking like? Yeah, I'm feeling it. Let me let this down. That's really nice. Yes, honey. Alright, y'all, so I have both sides done. I haven't put the blow dryer to it yet, but I just kind of wanted to see y'all. I kind of just wanted to let y'all see how it's looking so far. So this is the side that I just did, of course, so it's kind of hanging a little more because it's a little more wet. And this is the first side, and it's drawing up because it's drying, of course. So what am I gonna do? I'm still going to put the blow dryer to it, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to stretch it a little bit. So I'm gonna put it back in the 4 sections that it was in. I'm gonna kind of like pull a little bit at the root and then clip it so that it still hangs. Alright, and let's get the blow dryer. Okay, so I got my blow dryer. This is my Red by Kiss blow dryer. Let's see, I'm gonna do it on hot because I want to get this over with. I'm not trying to wait all night. But yeah, so let's jump into it. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. And y'all already know I always be saying that this is the final look because this is the final look. Okay, so my hair is drier than it was before. But I kind of feel like as it's dry, it doesn't have as much definition. I don't know if it's because I put the blow dryer to it. I don't know if I should have let it just air dry and just leave the curls alone or what. I don't know. But you still can see the curls. Let me get close. Like, I still got curls. I got the curly afro going on. However, I know my hair can be even more defined than this. I'm gonna turn around. That is the full 360 of everything. I know the back really lost a lot of definition, where the most definition was back there. So I don't know, but overall, of course I can rock this. I can definitely deal with this. I don't have harsh feelings about it. It's very moisturized, very soft. I can say it leaves your hands feeling very, like, not tacky, but kind of like greasy, kind of like it feels like there's like a film on your hands when you touch it and everything. I still think my hair turned out cute. I never used Auntie Jackie's before, and I'm saying auntie. I never used Aunt Jackie's. So I think it did okay. Like I said, this product is only about $6 or $7. Based off the results in my hair, you can determine if you would want to buy this product or if it's worth it. I'm not really sure if I would get this again. I don't know. I gotta use it more to see how I like it and everything. That's about it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you want me to do next. And as always, stay beautiful and be blessed.